Is it too late to do a little get to know me, an introduction? So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dara Taylor, and this is not your regular video you see on my channel because I'm going to be introducing and talking about myself in this video. I realize that I haven't introduced myself, so I'm just going to be introducing myself to you all. So my name is Obeta Jennifer Chidera. Before we get right into the video, sorry, I just have to tell you what you are seeing here is a cover. I'm not using my face because I don't want to, so this is just a cover. I'm going to be posting a tutorial on this kaftan. This is a kaftan I'm sewing, so I'm going to be posting a full tutorial of it real soon. So as I was saying, my name is Obeta Jennifer Chidera. I'm Igbo by tribe and I live in Kaduna State. I'm from Enugu State, right? So a student. I'm also a Christian by religion. I learned how to sew from my mom. For the past 19 years of my life, my mom has been a tailor, so I learned how to sew from her. So after WAEC, I just decided to follow her to the shop rather than staying alone at home. So just to be productive, right? So I just followed her to the shop, and then she was teaching me how to sew. So that was how I learned how to sew from my mom. So the inspiration behind starting YouTube, I've always wanted to start YouTube. I have always wanted, but due to procrastination and all that, I was always procrastinating. I would see myself, a year has gone by and whatever. So I just said August, I decided to start. Enough with the procrastination. I said to myself, I decided to start my own YouTube channel. August. So that's about that. Dara Taylor, the name Dara Taylor, it was not really anything serious. It was just because my full name is Chidera, that's my tribal name. So refer to me as Chidera, don't call me Jennifer. Call me Chidera, I really like that name. So the short form was Dara, and then Taylor was just because I think it was just giving an archaic vibe. Not everybody wants to be referred to as Taylor, so I want to be referred to as a tailor, not a fashion designer. Yes, I want to be referred to as a tailor. So that's just about it, right? So this channel is all about sewing. It's about recreating styles, like trending style, not even trendy styles, but it's about recreating styles. So are you a beginner, or even if you're not a beginner, there are some certain styles that you just want to know, like how did they sew it? You are finding it difficult to recreate by yourself, so this channel is for you. Just go on to subscribe please to this channel, and also comment on the section, are you a beginner or you are into the game already? So let me just know what level you are. So getting right into it, I said I do live in Kaduna State. Whenever I tell people I live in Kaduna State, they are like, you're living in Kaduna? That's weird. Like, I love Kaduna State. Let me speak about my state now. It's not my state of origin, as you guys can know. You guys know, sorry. I said I'm Enugu State, but then Kaduna is like an amazing place to be. Kaduna is an amazing place to be. Like, some fabric you see me using here, I got it from the market in Kaduna, and sometimes I get them for 300, 600. That's crazy. Like, imagine getting 3 yards of plain fabric for 1,000 naira or 900. Like, things are cheap in Kaduna. The cost of living is not high in Kaduna. Thank God for the insecurities is over. It's not as bad as it is now, but then things are really cool in Kaduna. You could get a lot of things that you normally not get in some areas, like you get them in Kaduna. So I do love living in Kaduna State, so let's not be controversial about that, right? So also, I'm an online student. I chose online learning because, like, going to a physical school would not be really easy for me, down to my YouTube that I always post. Like, it won't be convenient for me and other aspects of my life. Yes, I do so for people, so I don't see myself sewing in school. No, I don't see myself doing that. That would be really hectic and stressful for me. So that was why I started online. So currently I am at 379 subscribers, but the goal for this month is 1,000 subscribers. And you guys will be asking, how is that possible? But I do know that it's possible. Yes, I do know it's possible. So then I've not really been consistent on YouTube. If you check my videos, you will see that sometimes I post twice in a month, which is really bad. Like, I intend to change that. That's really bad. So I intend to change that. I've not been consistent enough. Like, at least posting twice in a week, sorry, twice weekly is very okay, or even once weekly, so long as you post all through the month. That's like 4 videos. Like, that's what I'm telling myself. I have to be consistent in this thing because I have to thrive. I have to be consistent in this thing. So that's just what I intend to do here. So guys, for every month, I just want to say this, for every month, to every style that I have recreated, I'm going to be doing a review about all of them, and I'll be explaining better on which every style that I have created. So every style I recreate on February, for every style I recreate February, if it's 8 styles, I'm going to do a video talking about it. So just look forward to that. You have to look forward to that because it will be really interesting and you will get to learn a lot from it. So if you're confused about when you watch the video, you are going to learn better through that. So I advise you, if you've not hit the notification bell, then you have to hit the notification bell so that you will not miss out on the video. So enough about that. So I'm an introvert. I have few friends. I love to keep to myself a lot. I'm a Jesus baby. Like, when I started YouTube, I was almost discouraged. Really, that was because I was not even having enough audience as I thought I should have. But then what kept me going was just the word of God, that greater is the end of the matter than the beginning thereof. God really, he loves the small beginning of everything you do. So that was just what kept me, and God really answered my prayer. November was when I was getting the audience that I needed. I was getting enough audience on my channel, so I'm just really grateful about that. What else do you guys need to know about me? I don't really know, but then I think I'm just going to do a proper introduction. This is not a proper introduction, this is just a rough sketch. So that will just be all for now, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. And I think you just have to know about me. You just have to know my name, right? You know my name, you know my age. I'm 19 years old. You know my state. You know that I love Kaduna State. You know that I'm an introvert, right? So I think that's all. Yes, that should be all. So see you guys on the next tutorial, because I'm going to be posting this tutorial on how I sewed this kaftan real soon. And I just want to say this: thank you so much for 300 subscribers. I cannot really say it enough, but I'm really grateful to you all for supporting me this far. So thank you to all 300 you guys, to all 300, all of you, if that's correct. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate the engagements and all that. Thank you. And if you've not seen this video, right, this video you are seeing, if you have not seen it, go check it out. Go check it out.